In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask an image using a shape. This technique is incredibly useful for creating visually appealing designs and can be applied to both simple and complex graphics. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, let's talk about setting up your shape for the mask. You can create or insert the shape you want to use as your mask, whether it's a circle, a rectangle, or a custom shape that suits your project. Your choice will depend on the effect you want to achieve. Feel free to experiment with different shapes until you find the one that best frames your image or object. Next, you'll want to position your shape correctly. Make sure the shape is placed above the image or object you plan to mask. In simple terms, this means that the shape layer should be in front. Think of it like laying a stencil over an image. This setup is crucial because it determines which part of the image will be visible. Now you'll need to select both the shape and the image or object you aim to mask. This is an essential step because the mask operation requires both elements to be active. So, click to highlight both layers using your cursor. Once both items are selected, the next step varies slightly depending on whether you're using a Mac or Windows system. If you're on a Mac, simply go to the Object menu and select Mask with Shape. For those using Windows, right-click on your selection and choose Mask with Shape from the context menu. This will apply the mask, revealing only the portion of the image inside your shape, while the rest of the image will be hidden from view. What's great about this method is that it's non-destructive, meaning your original image remains intact, and you can easily adjust or remove the mask as needed. Should you want to edit the mask after applying it, it's straightforward to do so. Just double-click on the masked group. This action allows you to move or scale the image or object within the shape. Whether you need to reposition it or adjust its size, you have full control to fine-tune your mask design until it perfectly fits your vision. Finally, if you decide to remove the mask altogether, it's equally simple. Select the masked group, then right-click and choose Ungroup Mask, or go through the menu to find this option. This action will revert everything back to its original state, giving you the freedom to start over or to try a new masking approach. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to mask any image using a shape. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and that it opens up new possibilities for your creative projects.